Hey guys, this is Sarah with Easy Local, and today I just want to go over how to clean your cache, your cookies, and your history from your Google Chrome browser. Alrighty, once you have the browser up and running, what you're going to want to do is look down to your keyboard and click the keys Control H. From there, a new tab should appear, and this is going to be your History tab. What you're going to want to do next is click the Clear Browsing Data on the left-hand side of the screen, and another new tab will appear. Oh, so many tabs. Do keep in mind that when you clear your cookies or other site data, you will be signed out of most sites. You shouldn't be signed out of your Google account. Once you're ready to go ahead and click the Clear Data button. That will just prompt Google to go ahead and clear all of the data that you have stored within this browser. So if you're having problems seeing yourself ranking, go ahead and try to clear out your cache and your history. You should be seeing the most updated results on that Google search page. If you ever have any questions, comments, concerns, or would like a representative to walk you through how to do any of these steps, you are more than welcome to give us a call at 877-416-2378. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful YouTube tutorials. Bye!